Hello everyone, my name is Dhananjay Reddy Manne. I'm part of Informatica JCS team. In this presentation, we will be going through logs for CDI, CDI. Moving on, today's agenda is how to collect logs for CDI, CDI for connector issues, job crash issue, Kubernetes cluster issues. Moving on. First one is logs for CDI. If any mapping is failing, then you need to collect the mapping log. You can get it from the UI or you can get it from this location on the agent machine. Let me show you from the UI part how to download the session log for a CDI mapping. This is a CDI mapping, and when you click on download session log, you will get the session log. Moving on, next one is logs for CDI. Similarly, we can get the session logs for CDI. CDI session logs consists of three files. One is for basic details, compilation, and execution. And also CDI job will have the InfoSpark 0 application. Let me show you from the browser. This is a CDI mapping. If you click on here, you can download the session log for CDI mapping, and when you click on InfoSpark 0, from here you can download the execution plan, driver and agent logs, and from this location you can get the executor logs. Moving on, this what is covered in this slide. Next one, if you are facing any connector issues, like if any test connection is failing, then please share the tomcat.out and connector service log from the below location on the agent machine. Tomcat.out logs will be present under InfoHome Apps Data Integration Server, current running version of the DAS, and Tomcat.out log. And connector service log will be present under InfoHome Apps Connector Service Logs, connector service latest version .log. Moving on, if you are facing any job crash issue, like if DTM is crashing, then please share the tomcat.latest version.log from the InfoHome Apps Data Integration Server logs Tomcat. Here you will find multiple Tomcat version. Please share the latest version of the Tomcat logs. Moving on, like if you are facing any Kubernetes cluster issues, then please share the at scale agent app.log, which will be present under InfoHome Apps at scale server version at scale agent app.log, CCS operation log, which will be present under InfoHome at scale version CCS home, CCS operation log. From the CCS operation log, you can get the current running cluster name. Once you get that cluster name, you can get the cluster operation.log, which will be present under InfoHome apps at scale server version CCS home cluster ID. Here refers to the cluster ID which you get from the CCS operation log, InfoHome cluster operation.log, or the latest log number. These logs will be helpful for our troubleshooting if you are facing any Kubernetes cluster issues. This is the summary, and we would like to hear from you on our social media handles. Please share your valuable feedback over there. Thank you all.